Google Classroom, how to add a co-teacher or another teacher into your classroom so they can see what all the students are seeing, but from a teacher point of view. To do that, you need to go to the top tab at the top and click on People. And then where you see Teachers, there's a person here with a plus, and if I put my mouse there, it says Invite Teachers. I'm going to click on that. And here I can type in the teacher's email address. So if I put my example down, and then I can say invite. So now here you can see that their name is here and they're invited to be a teacher in my classroom. Then when it comes up on their account, they can click join, that they can become a teacher on there. They will have all the same access that you do as a teacher and be able to see all the same things that you do. So they can see the assignments, what the marks are for all the different students, and if a student has turned in an assignment or if they're late.